Lapidary is called the place or institution where stone statues, stone tombs, or even parts of buildings are collected or exposed. The most common reason for the foundation of the lapidary was the reconstruction of historical monuments. Old original parts of the monument were replaced with copies and stored in the lapidary. In present, the collection of the National Museum Lapidary counts about 2,000 collection items, of which over 400 best pieces are exposed, while others are kept in depositories. Generally speaking, each building or monument that has been restored has its original parts in National Museum lapidary collections.
The Lapidarium of the National Museum exhibition called The Monuments of Stone Carving in Bohemia from the 11th to 19th century informs visitors about the methods of mining, with the utilization and processing of rocks used for stone carving, and about the care of damaged stone artifacts in the introductory display cases.